Okay, how's everybody? As we can see, it arrived, and it arrived pretty quickly, which I'm grateful for. I think I placed the order on Monday, made payment, and Thursday it arrived. So, go the courier service. Don't know if I actually want to be using a knife because it's inflatable, so open it up without a knife. But let's have a look-see. Unboxing of the Hurricane 10.6 inch, 10'6" inflatable SUP from Stormfox. Anyway, it looks pretty good. Let's see if I can show you guys there. Let me put my knife out of the way. Excuse me about the wind, but it's a little bit windy, but we can wait for perfect weather to unbox. Anyway, this is the paddle. It's a nice adjustable paddle. It's aluminium. Looks relatively good quality, and the blade is quite rigid and also looks quite good. Some people say it's a bit of an issue that the paddles don't float, so we'll check that shortly in the pool and see if it floats. It comes with a pump, and the pump over here is double action, which is quite great. That's pretty good quality. The cheaper SUPs, iSUPs come with a single action pump only, and yeah, the tubing looks pretty good quality as well. It's got a repair kit, valve key, glue, and 2 different colors of patch. Looks pretty awesome. Comes with a nice leash. And it's also one of these coil leashes, so they're not too much in the way. Some instructions, and also very important, the rear skeg, and this is quite a rigid skeg. A lot of the guys talk about the importance of having a rigid skeg, and it's a little clip-in, so this looks quite good. And then as we unfold it, it's quite nicely packed in there. Got these awesome foam protectors for the sort of permanent mini skegs, and they look quite nice for future packing. Let's see, it's pretty heavy, so the whole thing actually, well, sort of moderately heavy, let's put it that way. The whole box was quite solid, but yeah, this seems, I don't know, a couple of kilos. So let's open that up. Yeah, it's very nicely packaged, I must say. Try not to stand on everything. Yeah, it looks pretty good. And yeah, it's all well packaged and quite a solid stainless steel D-ring there. I must say the quality of the build looks pretty good, and the finishes look quite good. I'm pretty happy, all things considered. And then finally is the bag, and the bag is quite nice, a bit of a padded bag. It comes with wheels, which is slightly more the higher end bags normally come with wheels, and backpack strap. Doesn't look super top of the range, but it does look sort of medium spec quality build. Anyway, it'll do the job. Looks pretty cool, and I think that's the rest of the packaging. All that's done. That looks like quite a good protective thing to go in over here. And then let's just see if that fits nicely. Yeah, that goes in pretty well. And I see it's got a little tie on, so even if it did pop off, you don't lose it that easily, which is great. now getting it out. No, it's not too much of an issue. Okay, so it looks pretty awesome. We'll read some instructions shortly, and yeah, I don't know if we'll pump it up here. Maybe we will. We'll see how we go, and we'll take it from there. Okay, thanks so much for watching. That's the unboxing. I must say, overall, I'm pretty impressed. I think it's a good buy. So we've got a very nice gripping surface here, and quite a nice carry handle. I must say, I think it looks pretty good. Awesome. We'll catch you at the first test drive. Thanks so much. Take care. Cheers.